Let's have a look at LG PuriCare's 360 degrees purification. LG PuriCare is perfectly round, with 360 degrees unique design that makes your space beautiful. Through 360 degrees purification, LG PuriCare absorbs pollutants from all directions, wherever it is installed. Inside LG PuriCare, there is an axial centrifugal fan and a guide vane with chevron nozzle, both patented, which makes 20% more powerful purification than the conventional products and helps purify the air 360 degrees. You can see that it purifies extensive location equally, 360 degrees. Wherever you put it, LG PuriCare can absorb pollutants from 360 degrees. This is another surprising function of LG PuriCare that no other purifier has, the Clean Booster. LG PuriCare is a unique combination, an air purifier with a fan. LG PuriCare's Clean Booster can deliver clean air very far, as much as 7.5 meters. The Clean Booster rises and rotates to the right and left in order to deliver clean air even to the furthest corners. You can see that PuriCare can send all the clean air through the rotating Clean Booster, which powerfully purifies the entire room. Let us introduce the third feature of this product, filtration. LG PuriCare has powerful filtration, which will purify your space with qualified 360-degree filters. These 360-degree filters get rid of microparticles, harmful gases, and odors effectively. There are 3 steps to it. Removing the large dust through the first filter. Dust storms, ultrafine dust, are removed. Removes odor components, including formaldehyde. LG PuriCare's powerful filtration has been approved by Chinese national standard by achieving the highest grade. Now we will be introducing to you the baby care function. Did you know that indoor pollution level is the highest on floors where babies stay? Operating just the lower duct of PuriCare will deliver clean air to low places where your baby plays. PuriCare provides clean air for your babies through special, independently working lower duct system. One of the many wonderful features of LG PuriCare is Smart Sensor and Display. There is a Smart Sensor, which is made of Smart PM 1.0 and gas sensor. Through these sensors, PuriCare senses the pollution level and automatically sets the airflow and operation cycle. The Smart Display is the lighting system, which shows different colors based on your pollution level. With the Smart Indicator, you can see the level of pollution and odor in color and figure. You can also check out the pollution level of a particular kind of pollutant dust you want to see by simply selecting it. Smart THINQ, the mobile application which will help you control LG PuriCare easily and conveniently. Wherever you are, you can check the pollution level of your house and control your air purifier through Smart THINQ. Turn on LG PuriCare through Smart THINQ before you go home. Pure fresh air will be waiting for you. Easily check when you have to change the filter through Smart THINQ. LG PuriCare.